In this problem, two particles A and B move with velocities v1 and v2 respectively along x and y axis as can be seen in this particular diagram. The initial separation between them is given to be d. Now we need to find the least distance between them during their motion. So to find least distance between them, first of all we need to consider the relative velocity of one with respect to other. Then we need to think of their trajectory, and perpendicular distance between them will be giving the least distance. So if we consider velocity of B with respect to A, so A is made stationary by giving a velocity minus v1, same velocity is given to B, that is also minus v1. So here from the relative velocity is obtained in this particular direction, and this angle theta is given to be, tan theta is given to be v1 by v2. This is the value of tan theta. This distance is d, and let perpendicular distance is some x naught between A and the point B along its trajectory. Now as this is hypotenuse having angle theta, so here from we have x naught to be equal to d sine theta. Now tan theta is v1 by v2. This gives sine theta to be equal to v1 by under root v1 square plus v2 square. So here from we can obtain x naught to be equal to dv1 by under root v1 square plus v2 square. So this is the minimum separation between A and B, and so the correct option is C.